Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Cherry Blossom Day in Japan. In the beautiful countryside of Japan, spring was a very special time. It was the season of cherry blossoms, or sakura. Cherry blossoms are small pink and white flowers that bloom on cherry trees. When they bloom, they cover the trees in soft, beautiful colors. People all over Japan celebrate this time with cherry blossom festivals, called hanami. In a small village in the Japanese countryside, the Cherry Blossom Festival was a very important tradition. Every year, when the cherry trees were in full bloom, the villagers would gather to celebrate. The village was surrounded by hills covered with cherry trees. For a few weeks in spring, these hills turned into a sea of pink and white blossoms. It was a breathtaking sight, like a dream come true. On the day of the festival, the village came alive early in the morning. People started to prepare for the celebration. They cleaned the park under the biggest cherry trees. They put up paper lanterns and decorations. Vendors set up stalls to sell food and drinks. There were stalls selling traditional Japanese foods like sushi, rice balls, onigiri, and sweet dumplings, dango. There were also stalls selling drinks like green tea and sweet fruit juice. The smells of cooking food filled the air, making everyone hungry and excited. People came to the festival dressed in their best clothes. Many women wore beautiful kimonos, traditional Japanese robes in bright spring colors. Children wore colorful clothes and ran around excitedly. Families came together, ready to enjoy the day. The main activity of the Cherry Blossom Festival was to admire the cherry blossoms. People spread out picnic mats under the cherry trees. They sat with their families and friends, looking up at the beautiful pink and white flowers above them. They brought picnic baskets filled with food and drinks. They ate and talked and laughed under the cherry trees. They enjoyed the beauty of nature and the company of their loved ones. It was a time for relaxing and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Children played games under the cherry trees. They flew kites in the gentle spring breeze. They chased each other around the trees, laughing and having fun. The park was filled with the happy sounds of children playing. Musicians played traditional Japanese music. The soft sounds of flutes and drums drifted through the air, adding to the peaceful and festive mood. Some people sang traditional songs about spring and cherry blossoms. As the day went on, the park became more and more crowded. People from nearby towns and even from the city came to join the Cherry Blossom Festival in the village. Everyone wanted to see the beautiful blossoms and enjoy the traditional celebration. Some people brought cameras to take pictures of the cherry blossoms. They wanted to capture the beauty of the flowers and remember this special day. The pink and white blossoms against the blue sky made for wonderful photographs. As evening approached, the festival continued. The paper lanterns hanging in the park were lit up. The lanterns glowed softly, creating a magical atmosphere under the cherry trees. People stayed in the park even after sunset. They enjoyed the cherry blossoms in the soft light of the lanterns. Night sakura, or cherry blossoms at night, were also very beautiful and special. Some food stalls stayed open late, selling warm snacks and drinks. People enjoyed a late evening picnic under the lanterns, still admiring the cherry blossoms and enjoying the company of friends and family. As the night deepened, the festival slowly came to an end. People started to pack up their picnic mats and decorations. Vendors closed their stalls. The park became quieter again. People walked home slowly, carrying happy memories of the Cherry Blossom Festival. They had enjoyed a beautiful day surrounded by nature, tradition, and the company of loved ones. They looked forward to the next year, when the cherry blossoms would bloom again, and the village would celebrate Cherry Blossom Day once more. The Cherry Blossom Festival was a time to appreciate the beauty of spring, to celebrate tradition, and to enjoy the simple joys of life with family and community in the peaceful Japanese countryside. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.